맘마 주세요. 맘마 주세요. 맘마 주세요. 왜 안 줘요? 그치? 왜 맘마 안 줘요? 맘마 달라니까. 그치? I know. Right? I know exactly what you mean. I'm like, I'm hungry. But you've been eating for the past 2 hours. Huh? You've been eating past 2 hours. Oh, she saw the phone. Right. What was that about? Like, right? I know. Where's your milk? You just ate. Huh? 어디 가야? 그래서 어떻게 했어요? 엄마가 우유를 안 줘요. 엄마가 우유를 안 줘요. 엄마 우유 좀 주세요. 그런데 안 줘요. I said milk, please. Oh, no milk. I know. So what did you do? 그렇게 했어요. 아이, 그렇게 했구나. 그랬죠? 잘했어. 잘했어요.